Have you ever used a cleaver so heavy you need both hands to handle it? Today, we're restoring a butcher's cleaver, a tool designed for cutting large cuts of meat, including frozen pieces. Let's get started. As always, we begin with disassembly. This cleaver uses a simple construction so the handle can be removed by taking out the rivets. Once disassembled, we move on to sandblasting. Glass bead blasting is used here to evenly remove rust while maintaining a consistent surface finish. After sandblasting, a protective coating is applied to prevent flash rust. Next comes grinding. The blade is secured to a wooden block for better control during shaping. We start with 40 grit sandpaper to remove deep rust and surface damage. To speed things up, a belt sander is used. Then we move to 100 grit to refine the surface and remove remaining pits. At this stage, the blade already looks much cleaner, but the process isn't finished yet. Hand sanding begins. Working from 120 to 240 grit, the goal is to refine the bevel and improve the blade's geometry. This step enhances the blade's lines and reduces glare from reflections. Next, we continue sanding using 400 grit, followed by wet sanding with 600 grit to achieve a smoother finish. Masking tape is applied to protect the blade before working on the handle. For the handle, a piece of pear wood is used. This type of wood is dense and durable, commonly used in furniture and fine woodworking. After drilling the rivet holes, the handle shape is outlined and cut. Then it is shaped and refined using files and sandpaper. Next, new fasteners are made. Chicago screws are used here, a type of threaded fastener commonly used in leatherwork. They provide a strong and secure connection. The handle is assembled and thread locker is applied to prevent the screws from loosening. After that, the excess material is trimmed and the handle is sanded from 120 up to 600 grit. To finish, linseed oil is applied to protect the wood and enhance its natural grain. Finally, the blade is sharpened and the restoration is complete. What do you think of this butcher's cleaver? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.